Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. And a big thank you to all of you guys who have reached out to me during this time of my hiatus. Thank you for reaching out to me. Thank you for emailing me, checking up on me, making sure I'm okay, I'm healthy, I'm not dead. I'm alive, I'm well, and I'm okay, and I'm healthy. I just took some time off. But I appreciate all of you who reached out to make sure that I was okay. So we're starting off this new year. I hope you guys have had a fantastic couple of weeks starting off to the new year, and I hope the rest of your year will be amazing. To start off the new year, we're going to be starting off with some basics. I know there's a few subscribers that have joined us, a couple subscribers, a few thousand who have joined us for the over this time that I've been away. So hello to you. My name is Tatenda. I live in Australia. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the family. Feel at home. So yeah, we're gonna start off with an introduction into myself. I am married. I got married last year in April. My husband's name is Farai Katia. So I am Tatenda Katia. And we have a couple channel as well if you want to go check it out. We talk about Christianity, we talk about love, we talk about hot topics, a lot of different things on there. So you can check that out if you'd like as well. My husband is an artist. He does do music. So if you would like to check out his music, you can check him out as well on his channel. Anyway, formalities over. Today we're going to be talking about the basics about me though. We're going to be talking about what I'm going to be using this year, pretty much my routine, what's going on, my hair, things like that. So everyone can know where we're starting off with this year. In terms of my hair, I would have loved to have my hair out while filming this video, but it's all right, we move anyway. I will be doing a wash day routine early this year so we can actually see what I do with my hair, but right now we're going to talk about what I'm currently using. If you watch my previous wash day routines, you'll see that there's a lot of products and a lot that I do. Over lockdown and all that stuff, I've sort of refined it a bit more, simply because no one wants to spend 2 hours doing their hair. No one has time for that. We want to make natural hair accessible, easy, and enjoyable. So my routine has been cut down a lot. I only use a few products to maintain my hair, and my hair has still been growing. My hair is still very healthy, and I think my hair, if anything, loves my new routine more than before. So currently, the products that I'm using to wash my hair is Sheer Moisture, because this is the best that I found here in Australia. And this range, the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil range, is the one that I've been using for a couple of years, and I've noticed that my hair, and especially a lot of people with type 4 hair, really enjoy this product. So I use the entire range, from the shampoo, the conditioner, and the mask. And you know, when I initially reviewed this, you guys saw it. Until now, my hair continues to love it. So if it's not broken, don't fix it. This hasn't been fixed. Continuing on to what I'm still using at the moment is Cantu. Yes, it's 2022 and I'm still using Cantu. My hair loves it. I find it works well with my hair and with the Sheer Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I mix these two together and my hair just eats it up. It enjoys it, and I haven't had any problems. I know Cantu is a bit of a but for me it works, and I'm not going to fix it anytime soon unless I find something that's even better than this. Continuing on, at the moment I'm also using the Sheer Moisture leave-in, which is the spray one, and I use this usually when I've had my hair out for a long period of time, just to spritz my hair before I change it into a different hairstyle, or I start to use it or manipulate it or comb it and things like that, instead of, you know, digging your hands into this and you know, it gets a bit messy, especially when I'm going to work or things like that. If my hair's down and I just want to put it in a bun, I'll spray some of this, spray water, and then I'll comb my hair and do what I need to do, and I'm done. And then in terms of oil, for oiling my hair and for my scalp, currently I am using coconut oil. That's it. However, I put it into this spray bottle, and it's summer in Melbourne, so it's continuously liquid because it's continuously 30 degrees at the moment. So this is what I use, and I just spritz it into my hair, especially when I have braids. It's so easy because I just like and you're done, and you can go and your hair is, you know, moisturized. And that's literally it. I know it seems like a lot, but it's actually not compared to what I had in the past, and I know compared to what other people use. I've tried to make my routine at the moment just simple and easy to copy as well. In terms of equipment that I'm currently using, at the moment I'm using bamboo equipment. I'm trialing it out. I've heard so much good reviews about bamboo equipment, as well as from, you know, origins of Asia, they use bamboo equipment, and a lot of new areas that we're finding out about in terms of hair use bamboo equipment as well, because it helps maintain, you know, your oils. It sort of pushes your oils down, and it makes sure that your hair, because it's a natural fiber, your hair's a natural fiber, it doesn't cause as much breakers as plastic, because plastic is man-made, so it's not natural. So that's what I've been using at the moment, and I found that it's fantastic for my hair, and I would definitely recommend, especially this year, if you have a lot of products that you use, circle back. Use what's important and make your routine easy and enjoyable. It's not meant to be a fight. It's not meant to be fire and force. It's meant to be enjoyable, quick, and easy. You just do it and you go. So that's what we're doing at the moment. In terms of my actual hair, there's been a lot of debate in the past about my hair texture, but I would say it's between 4B and 4C. We're still deciding. There's been some fights in the past about titling and this and that, but doesn't matter. It's type 4, and that's what matters. So my hair is type 4 B/C. The back of my head is a lot longer and a lot more 4B than the top of my head. So the back of my head grows a lot faster than the top of my head. So if you have that same issue, me too, babe. Me too. And I have been natural for a couple of years now. I'll say probably 5 to 6 years now. It's been a rocky road, but we are here now. So yeah, those are the basics of pretty much me, my hair, where I'm at and where I'm going. Am I planning on cutting my hair anytime soon? Probably not. I'd love to see how far it'll go, where we'll go with it. Am I going to dye it or anything like that? No. I love my hair the way it is, and I'm going to keep it the way it is. The reason I went natural is to embrace myself, my natural beauty, the hair that grows out of my head the way it is. At the time that I did turn natural, it was a bit taboo. There was a lot of people who had a lot to say about it being this and that and this and that and nappy and this. But thank God the world has since changed a lot, and you know, we are merging into a new generation of people who love who they are and their hair the way it grows out. So that's how I'm going to keep it at the moment. So I hope that has given those of you who are new and those of you who joined a bit in the middle, and those of you who have been here for a while but you just want to start afresh, a little brief intro into who I am in terms of who my hair is. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have any comments, questions, queries, etc., you're welcome to comment down below or send me a message and we can discuss it on this channel with you guys. But I hope this year is going to be amazing for you guys as much as it is going to be amazing for me, and I hope you'll stay with me on this journey of 2022, and we'll see what we have in store for this amazing year. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.